Welcome to the trading session today. Okay, we're going to be trading gold, and we're going to be trading the SP500 on the futures market, which means that is the MES. Shit, I need to lose some fucking weight, man. Damn, bad out here up in my dungeon. Currently on my employer's laptop, currently setting up updating my Mac, and was looking to get a webcam, like a nice webcam. I don't know what you guys have, suggested or what you guys are using, but I would love to find out what those are. I think Anchor was a decent one, the starting one, but I think I'm just going to use my iPhone. Wifey got me an iPhone stand. Use this as my new camera, so you'll see some better footage in just a little while. Okay, so today we're trading. It's my first stream, so I'll put that in the chat. Welcome to my first stream. Oh, there's a lot of different emojis. Okay. Okay, I just edited my my title. Just want to let people know that we're doing gold as well as the S&P 500. Gosh, I'm just really tired right now, man. Even though I'm having my coffee. I'm a very quiet type too. I'm very reserved and in my own thoughts. Not very talkative. So this is kind of a big step for me to do. Yeah, so let's see. Let me share my screen. Share the entire screen or just the window? I'm not really sure. Maybe just do the window. All right, let's try just the window. Share. Yeah, this is definitely better. Way better. Let me see if I can reduce. Doesn't affect you guys. Doesn't? I think it does. I'm not really sure. But all right, let's get this popping. Yeah, I'm just gonna do one screen at a time, just because this is a little tough to manage. Let's see. Oops. I'm not trying to publish an idea. Don't want to publish my information. Okay, single screen. Let's go. Boom. Why am I in this market? Hold on. Increase the screen size to see what's up. All right, going into MGC. It's We're in the April contracts now, which is great. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at gold. I have all these things marked up. I should probably start a fresh one where it's not marked up. Yeah, let's start a fresh one. Just I don't want to confuse you guys. What the hell? Okay, let's check in and see if there's anyone on my page. Not yet. Okay. MGC. Still a new one. Let's see. Create a new layout. All right, let's take a look at the market on the forum. I like how it's so clean. Let's see if I can eliminate some stuff. So I'm gonna get rid of these. So I do like session breaks. Contract switch breaks. I do want to include that. Trading canvas. Okay. Let's see. What we have here. Crosshairs. No, no. We need crosshairs. That's OD. Yeah, no, crosshairs is needed. How to get rid of grid lines? That has to be on the canvas. Oh, grid lines. Vertical only. Horizontal only. Horizontal is nice, but it doesn't really matter. I think maybe let's try doing clean. Yeah, I think I like it better clean. Just simplify the charts. What the hell is this? Volume? Yeah, it is. Contract switch. Right, that's important. Okay. Helps me figure out the days. Okay. So I don't want to go back too far. So let's say 1, 2. Let's go down 7 days. Take a look from here. What's the market doing? The market is going up, steady. I don't like the 45 here. Market's going up. Last few days, there's a retracement. And now we're in a range right here. This is the range. Market right here is in range. I don't like that. And that's range of, well, that makes sense because this um, this range is from Thursday through today. We'll have some action today, I think. Um, Also, this range is because Good Friday and Easter Sunday were here, so things started, slowing down Thursday. Um, but there is obviously news. I'm not really a news trader at all. I'm just technical analysis. I look at technically, see what price is doing. I have my patterns. I have my strategy. I read the market. I execute based on that. But so far, it's in range. But that doesn't mean we can't make money. Let's go. Let's dive in a little bit. So, 1 hour candles. Gold is not looking good. See, on the 30, even though we're in this range, 1 hour far shows us we're stuck in this range. Obviously, on the 30-minute, it doesn't really look like a range. On 30-minute, it looks bearish. Sorry, bullish. Back to bearish. And bullish. Actually, it looks bullish. There's liquidity seep. And if I was looking for setups, I would try to buy to the upside of this range. However, on the 1 hour and 4 hour, we were extremely bullish. There's retracement and should target back down to those lows. So I'm buying, I'm trying to buy and break out. If I'm selling, I'm just trying to target right there. So let's see. On the 30-minute, this is what it would look like. On the 30-minute, we'll see a high-low situation. See, high, low, high, high, and then this is a low. I'm actually looking at bearish. We are looking at, where's the GAN that I made? I made a GAN box. There we go. So we're going to put this right here. We're going to put this right here. And here we go. Now we're starting at the peak. Okay. Drop down to 15-minute. We see that this was the turning point, although I don't like that. Let me put this. I'm looking for cells in this, which I don't like. I need some music, bro. Let's get some music popping. Just too quiet. I need a vibe. This is actually a Pakistani song, but it just flows so good. The melody's so nice on it. Can't really hear it too much, but I'll put it up a little bit. So I'm looking for cells here. Okay. And now we're in the buy range. Tell you right now, setup I would look for. If I was right now, I'd be looking for buys. So let's see. Long position. Targeting top of the range. I don't like this sweep here. No, I don't like that. I don't like the way it's looking right now. Not a clean setup. Let me look at it here. Let's see. It's crazy. Let's see if I can cut this down. I don't like that. I would want to get in here. I'm not liking this too much, but if I were to do this. Trying to put, okay. Go to put a minimum 1 to 2, like 2.2. And what I see here on the left, I see another visual zone. How much is it going if it goes all the way to the bottom movement? On top of the range is here. I'm gonna go here, but long-term target would be at the top of the range. Let's go. On the 3-minute, I'll wait for it to come back. And we'll take a look. Yeah, okay, that's exactly right there, right there. Okay, I can take buy. Let's do buy. We'll set an order right now. I'm gonna do this on my paper trading account. I don't want to do this on my trade. Open a buy order and buy limit. Let's see, stop loss right below. Take profit. Oh no. I'm gonna take profit to the top, buddy. Let's cut this down to 2. I don't love it. I don't love it. And I'm in the trade. This candle really don't like. On the 5 minute, let's see. Yeah, it's already not looking great. Last price action looks weak. Let's take a look at this on the 15 minute. Some buying pressure down here. Let's see if it goes up. Not really loving it. Not a lot of volume. Look at this volume here. Gosh. I want to see heavy volume. Like, look at this shit. New York sucked. Again, New York sucks. So the last few days, like, the volume is in overnights. That was good. That was good. That was good. And boom, it was overnight tanked. But New York session sucks right now. The money is in overnights. Look at this. This is a lot better than. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's getting closer. A lot of bearish pressure here coming. Again, stuck in a micro range. Yep, stuck in a micro range. This is one candle really hit. This is what? 22 points? Yeah, I don't need much, man. I need 22 points with it. Yeah, I need like 20 points. Cause that's some nice profits, 20 points. Yeah, not that much. I just need to overtake this candle. I'm good. 30 minutes. Yeah, gold is terrible right now. Guys, do not trade gold. I don't know why I took that order. Just desperate to make some fucking money, but mm, not good. Yeah, not good at all. We'll come back to this. Let's see what the how am I ordering? Let's see how it goes. Should just fluctuate. I know once New York opens, you get all the news. Gold's either gonna take me right out or go explosive all the way to my target. Look at this. It just fluctuates. It's not moving. Really. Wow, that sucks. Okay. All right, I'm just not even gonna focus on this anymore. Let's just go to MES. Let's see how MES is looking. MES1, that's where all the volume's at. Let's look at the 4 hour. Whoa. You can see your boy makes plays. Look at that. Look how many orders I got going in. Holy crap. Look at that. That was like all this year. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Taking trades, taking trades, taking trades. Buying, selling, trading, saying. Gosh. That's why I'm up 62%. You know what I'm saying? 62% is where it's at. Was crushing it. Anyway, let's see the last 1 week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. We're gonna go back to 7 days. Probably like in this range. For the SP500 is kind of breaking out of range, still stuck in range. Mm-hmm. Actually, let's see this. This was coming down to here. Alright. This was coming down like that. Boom. All right, let's see. So fucking around. Let's start off from Monday. Let's go high, low, low. I was asleep. Okay, so I'm going for sells on MES. Where are we targeting? Shit, there's nothing good to target. Well, getting back to Thursday's lows. Okay. That's what we're going to have to do. Okay, here's the setup. Let's see if it goes. Check MGC again. That was on micro gold. Okay, there we go. So it took a loss here. That's fine. I was trying to go for a buy. Wow, it did come back into the 5 minute. I was trying to go off of the 3 minute. I still don't love it. Impossible. Let's see. I think it's coming up to 15. Nah, okay, that looks really strong. Yeah, I don't love that. Okay. Yeah, I don't want gold right now. It's gonna avoid gold. Okay, gonna take this loss. That's fine, but oh, we're rejecting. Okay. Oh, 30-minute huge rejection. Okay. It's kind of hard to do this on laptop, but huge rejection. This was bullish. Yeah. Reject. They want to sell it down, but reject. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just gonna watch this on the 3 minute. So let's just watch it on 1 minute. Okay, we're pushing. Great push. 227.50. Okay, let's have a nice push. Keep pushing it. 350. Let's get it to 350. Okay. I don't want to move it to break even just because I want to have a nice win for today. You know what? I get scared of pullbacks a little bit. I'm not going to lie. It's on the 3 minute. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that huge retracement. Everything's rejecting off that level. Let's see. Okay, let's see how much we get down. Yeah, no. Okay. All right, nice little push. Okay, okay. Definitely a nice little push. Sheesh. So I would have secured a 1 to 2 by now, but I need a little bit more money just to make up for the earlier loss in gold. Let's see that. Let's see that. Come on. Come on. Let's see that push. Oof. Nice. Nice. Oh. Okay. Oof. Look at that. Definitely moving it to break even. Probably closer to up here. All right, secure at least a 1 to 1. Taking my chances for actually not 3. Trying to go to 1 to 3. Let's see. 1 to 3 BBL right there. Okay, confirm. All right, boys, this is looking great. This is okay. Okay, I'm just gonna jump back to 2 minute real quick, seeing how that's looking. Oh, we're looking great. We are looking really good. Yeah. I'll move this back up to 1 to 2. So, oh. Where was that 1 to 2? That one. Well, we're sitting at that one, like 1 to 2 right now. I want to give it a little bit of breathing room, but I also want to secure that 1 to 2. That's my bread and butter. Okay. Oh, we're gonna be pushing. Yeah, we're gonna be pushing. There's too much bearish pressure coming in right now. Let's check that again. 3-minute. Let's see. Come on. Getting a little bit of consolidation. It's running out of steam. I want to secure 1 to 2, but I need this bad boy to move a little bit. I need it to break 6595 level. Like with volume. Need to break it with volume. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 2 minutes looking out. Yeah, see. Guys, I'm just gonna be ready on the trigger because I wanna, bro, let's go. Let's go. Be ready on the trigger, bro. 735 or 1 to 2. Profit hit. Profit hit. Look at that. Boom. Yo, I'm up 70% of my account from like the middle of January. In 3 months, 70% on the account is crazy. That's using between 2 and like 3.5% risk. But still, wow, look at this drop, man. I should have held on to this. What? I closed a nice 1 to 3. This is looking nice. This was a 1 to 4. 1 to 3.75. All right. Still good though. Gosh, look at that. That's where I ended, guys. You'll see right here. Okay, a little bit after. Minus fees and stuff, whatever. So 8.75 point stop loss. 3R. Let's go over the stats for the day. Stats are as follows. I took a trade today on gold, going for longs, took a loss. Going for shorts on S&P or MES, $971, boy. Oh, that's why I closed a little bit lower. Okay, so it didn't So the fill was bad, which is great because it worked in my favor by a couple bucks. Let's go back to gold for a second. Let's just see how that performed, and I'm just going to end this stream. Okay, so we are here. Yeah, boy. Yeah, there's no longs on silver. I mean on gold. There's yeah. No. So any re-entries, no re-entries. This is a straight drop. If you were going for sells in the beginning of the day, you would have made it so nice. I mean, really, the sell initiative came in, I want to say, actually, like right around 9:30. If you were going for sells around then, you made a killing today. But all good. I'm still up. You know what I mean? I'm still up. What? Let's see. Balance history. So, I just take mad wins. All right. I was at minus 218. Let's do a little math. 9 cents. We'll just round down. 971 and 218, right? So minus 218. $753 of profit, total profit for the day. I mean, this is just great. I'm good with that. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Next time, hopefully, I'll have a better camera. I won't be on my laptop. I'll have a better webcam setup and just a bunch more stuff going on. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in. And let's get this money tomorrow. Same time. Peace.